Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a detailed technical analysis of KULR Technology Group, ticker KULR, listed on AMEX. We've got a full year of data up to May 30th, 2025, so let's break down the price action, key indicators, and what might be next for this stock. If you find this analysis helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more stock insights. Let's start with the big picture. KULR has been a roller coaster over the past year. On May 31st, 2024, the stock closed at $0.3264 with a volume of about 2.35 million shares. Fast forward to May 30th, 2025, and it's sitting at $1.17, showing a massive 258% gain in a year. However, the journey hasn't been a straight line. Let's dig into the trends. From May to July 2024, KULR experienced a downtrend, dropping to a low of $0.285 on July 25, 2024, a decline of about 12.6% from the starting point. Volume during this period was relatively high, averaging around 1.5 to 2 million shares daily, indicating selling pressure. The RSI_14 dipped into oversold territory, hitting 33.58 on July 25, 2024, and the Williams percenter was at -86.9, confirming the bearish momentum. But here's where things get interesting. Starting in August 2024, KULR began a strong recovery. By mid-August, the stock broke above its 50-day SMA, which was around 35 cents, signaling a potential trend reversal. The MACD line crossed above the signal line on August 15, 2024, with a MACD value of 0.017, a classic bullish signal. Volume spiked significantly during this rally, peaking at 27.75 million shares on May 14, 2025, when the stock hit a high of $1.78, a clear sign of strong buying interest. Looking at the moving averages, the 50-day SMA crossed above the 200-day SMA in late September 2024, forming a golden cross, a strong bullish indicator. By May 2025, the 50-day SMA is at $1.336, while the 200-day SMA is at $1.121, showing that the longer-term trend remains upward despite recent pullbacks. Now let's talk about the recent price action. In May 2025, KULR saw a sharp run-up, peaking at $1.61 on May 14, 2025, before pulling back to $1.17 by May 30th. This pullback aligns with profit-taking, as the RSI_14 hit overbought levels at 66.1 on May 14th, and the stochastic oscillator, stock_K_5, reached 82.5, indicating the stock was due for a correction. The Bollinger Bands also show that the price touched the upper band at $1.554 on May 14th, reinforcing the overbought condition. Volume analysis gives us more clues. The on-balance volume, OBV, peaked at 861 million on May 14, 2025, but dropped to 772 million by May 30th, suggesting some distribution as the price declined. However, the Chaikin oscillator, which measures money flow, remains positive at 399,738 on May 30th, indicating that buying pressure is still present despite the pullback. Let's zoom in on some other indicators. The ATR_14, which measures volatility, has been trending lower, sitting at 0.101 on May 30th, 2025, compared to 0.127 on May 16, 2025. This suggests that volatility is cooling off, which could mean the stock is consolidating before its next move. The Arun oscillator is at -78.57, showing that the downtrend in the short term is dominant, but the Arun_up at 56 indicates that a new uptrend might be forming soon. An interesting fact from the data, KULR's momentum_10 indicator shows a value of -0.31 on May 30th, 2025, down from 0.36 on May 14th, reflecting the recent bearish momentum. However, the stock's VWAP has been acting as a dynamic support level, currently around $1.20, which is very close to the current price of $1.17. This could be a critical level to watch. So what's the outlook for KULR? The stock is currently testing support around the $1.15 to $1.20 range, which coincides with the VWAP and the 20-day EMA at $1.203. If this level holds, we could see a bounce back toward the $1.30 to $1.40 resistance zone, especially if volume picks up and the RSI cools off further. On the downside, a break below $1.15 could lead to a test of the 50-day SMA at $1.33, but the overall trend remains bullish as long as the price stays above the 200-day SMA. In summary, KULR has shown impressive growth over the past year, with strong bullish signals like the Golden Cross and high-volume breakouts. The recent pullback looks like a healthy correction, and the stock is now at a key support level. Keep an eye on the $1.15 to $1.20 zone for a potential bounce, and watch for confirmation from volume and momentum indicators. That's all for today's analysis of KULR. Let me know in the comments if you'd like me to cover another stock. And don't forget to subscribe for more technical breakdowns. See you in the next video.